Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. I know it's been a long time since I've been on with all this COVID 19 stuff going on. It's just been really chaotic. I wanted to come on and do a couple videos, but honestly, I haven't been in the mood. I haven't felt like it. You know what I'm saying? Let me turn this down. I haven't, just like everybody else, I'm sure, I ain't felt like doing nothing. I'm not even gonna lie. But today is, I probably should have led with that. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, May 23rd, I think. 22nd or 23rd. And we are getting up. My wife and I, we go back to work on Monday. We are getting up today and we are getting ready to go house hunting. So I did mention in a couple videos back that I was going to take you guys with us when we started looking for a place, buying furniture, you know, just the whole nine or whatever. I just wanted to do some vlogs on that. So today we are getting ready to get up, get our boys up, and we're going to look at a couple houses. So as promised, I'm going to take you guys along with us to do that. And yeah, so I'm getting ready to get up and eat me some breakfast and put some clothes on and get moving. If you are just now joining my channel or just now tuning in, please be sure to subscribe, like, comment down below, all that good stuff. So that way, and also hit the notification bell so that way you guys can be updated every time I upload a new video. And yeah, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. Y'all, we have been at my grandma's house since we moved back to Indy in November, and quite frankly, we are ready to go. We probably would have been gone if it hadn't been for all this coronavirus stuff, but that's been going on for the past month and a half, so that just really halted our plans because we were both off work. I was off on paid leave and my wife was just off on leave, and we both returned to work on Monday. So now it's time to kick this ball rolling and find us a spot so we can go. So, like I said, I'm about to eat breakfast, get dressed, and I will see you guys in a little bit. All right. Hey y'all, so okay, let me first turn this down. Okay, so I took video and uploaded video of one of the houses. We saw 3. um I didn't like none of them. I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't like a single one of them. 2 of the houses weren't even worthy of recording. I should have recorded though, just so y'all could see. Like, I feel like when people post pictures on those websites or whatever to rent out their homes or whatever, they post the best pictures, but they need to post more pictures of like the neighborhood, you know, things like that. Because if I drive into a neighborhood and I don't like it, I don't like the neighbor's house, I don't like how they upkeep their yards, I'm not here. I know. I'm one of them. So anyway, so I did upload, and I know you guys saw one of the houses. But we're gonna go and look at some other houses tomorrow. So I will take video. I promise to take video of each house, and I will post those. And if we're interested in any, I'll let you know which ones we're interested in. But yeah, so that was it for today. So now I'm about to eat, and I'm getting ready to jump into my training, my Forex training, and watch a little bit of Basketball Wives reruns, because what else can you do while you quarantining? And yeah, that's about it. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Later. Alright, y'all, so we're done. I'm back home. I look a mess. My hair is a mess. Haven't had any interest in doing nothing, but anyway, so I did post. We saw 4 houses. Oh shit, bugs. No, we don't do that. So we did go see 4 houses today. I posted those. Out of the 4 houses, I will let you know which 2 we like the best. But I will also, okay, so basically, let me go ahead and say we liked the 3rd and the 4th house the best. The 3rd house we liked. However, I don't like the fact that it only has 2 bathrooms and both bathrooms are upstairs. I don't like people trampling through my house, especially upstairs, to go to the bathroom. So I don't like that. I don't like how small the master bathroom is and how small the master bedroom is. Outside of that, we really liked the 3rd house, the 2-story. The 4th house I really liked a lot, actually. I don't have too many issues in regards to that home. Matter of fact, do I have any? I don't think I have any. I think my wife does though, but I can't remember. But anyway, so that was the 4th one. The 4th one I really liked a whole lot. I really like the backyard because it's big. My kids can go out there, play football, do what they want to do. The dogs can run and stuff like that. So I really like that one. That one just needs like some minor touches. I hate electric stoves, but it has an electric stove. Oh, it does not have an over the stove microwave. So we would have to buy a microwave, put on the counter, take up counter space. Hate that. Don't like that at all. But we would change out the cabinets, not the cabinets, I'm sorry, the countertops. Change out the countertops in the kitchen and things like that. Add some storage in the garage because the pantry is literally like this big, like it's super tiny. So we would have to add some shelving and stuff in the garage for extra storage. But I mean, other than that, I really like that one, but we're not sold on it, so we're gonna keep looking. That's all we can do. This is definitely a process for sure. I think we saw 3 houses yesterday. We didn't like any of them, and we saw 4 today. We semi-like 2. So we'll see what else we can come up with after that. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I take you guys with us, keep this journey documented. I think the next vlog that we're gonna do once everything opens, if we haven't done another house search vlog, is going to be looking for furniture, because that's the next thing on our agenda. Because if you were following us before, then you'll know when we moved to California, we literally got rid of everything. The only thing that we have left out of our old place is our beds, TVs, dressers. We got rid of our dining table or couch, living room furniture. We got rid of everything. So trying to condense everything for that move and make it cheaper, although we still ended up paying like $6,000 plus just to move, only to turn around and come back. But whatever. I'm not even gonna go there because I'm over it. But yeah, so that concludes this vlog. I will see you guys again next time. Hopefully next time I come back on, I will look semi-decent. Maybe I'll do some my makeup or something, my hair or something. I will look semi put together. But yeah, so that was it for this one. I will see you guys again soon. Do not forget to thumbs up this video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will see you guys in the next video. Take care.